I'm Joe Apicella, principal of this amazing school. I'm joined here with Mrs. Selesky, our teacher leader, and our good friend and mascot, Leo. With their help, we'll be reviewing some of the procedures to ensure that you and your son and daughter have an amazing school year.
We hope that you enjoy the open house here at Orange Ave, where we take pride in ourselves, each other, and school.
Hi parents, welcome to Open House. I'm Wiley Blake, president of the Orange Avenue School PTA. I'd like to tell you just a bit about the PTA. Our goals are to empower and engage families, to aid our children in reaching their potential, and to advocate for all children. The PTA tries to be welcoming in everything we do, and we want you to feel welcome to join in however you feel comfortable. If you can come to PTA meetings, give time on your lunch break to read to your child's class, offer a couple hours at the upcoming book fair or trunk or treat, or give more time lending your talents on a PTA committee, it's all good. And the money we raise directly benefits all of our kids. PTA meetings are typically on the second Tuesday of the month at 6:30 in the Media Center, and we are committed to keeping our meetings to 1 hour because we really value your time and your input. We'd love hearing your ideas even if you can't make it to a meeting, so please email us here, and if you haven't yet, please go here to join. The first class to reach 95% membership gets this cool recess basket. And we're raffling off a $25 gift card to Stop and Shop for all who've registered on the website by the end of Open House. So please stop by our table tonight at Open House to say hello and have a cookie. We love helping our kids and our school. We hope you'll show your lion pride by getting involved. Bye-bye.
Leo is being walked to the front doors by an adult. Leo is careful to use the sidewalk and crosswalk and not to walk in the center part of the parking lot so that he is safe.
Leo loves using our drop-off loop.
It is safe and convenient for everyone. Staff is available to assist any grade student to get to his or her classroom from the drop-off doors. Notice that Leo's driver pulls all the way up as far as he can before he is let out. He isn't dropped off by the front doors, blocking the fire lane and impeding traffic. Leo wasn't feeling well in class, so he visited our school nurse, Mrs. Patty Rappa. She will call the parent, and the student must be picked up in a reasonable amount of time so we can get Leo's germs out of the school. Since Leo is sick and has a fever, he will stay home and shouldn't come back to school until he is fever-free for 24 hours. This helps keep all the students and staff healthy. Here you can see Leo dropping off a note from his parents to Miss Maggie Germanise, our school secretary, about his absence yesterday. What you didn't see is the phone call that Leo's mom made yesterday when he was going to be absent. Please keep in mind how important it is to be in school every day and on time. A phone call does not make an excused absence. Unnecessary absences, tardy arrivals, early departures should be minimized so that our students are here and available to learn. Also, if Leo isn't in school each day, his classmates and teacher will miss him. Mrs. Cindy Samela is our greeter. Here you can see Leo using the call box to the left of the doors to announce his purpose for visiting. You can then see him check in with Mrs. Samela and showing his identification and getting his visitor pass. Are you wondering about visiting during lunchtime? In the past, OAS has had extra rooms to allow for lunchtime visits. As Orange Avenue has grown, we now only have limited spaces for these visits. Lunchtime visits are limited to Fridays due to spacing. If you wish to have lunchtime visit, please arrange your visit with Mrs. Samela, our greeter, at least a day prior to ensure a room is available. Lunchtime visits also should not include peanut products, and be sure to use the paper towels and sink to wash down the tables after you visit.
Leo hurt Jennifer's feelings, and now Mrs. Penna is facilitating what is known as a restorative circle. Restorative circles are strategies to use in classrooms to develop relationships, build communities, and respond to conflicts and problems that arise. Restorative approaches enable those who have been harmed to communicate the impact of the harm to those responsible, and for those responsible to acknowledge this impact and take steps to make it right. A restorative circle's goal isn't to pass judgment and define punishment. Instead, it is to challenge those involved to understand why the conflict happened and how it affected others in order to restore the relationship.